Thank you, Jonathan. Do you know that September is National Chicken Month? Guess what? Roy Rogers is letting us all know the Roy Rogers restaurant kicking off National Chicken Month with spice and some flavor, too. Look at this display. Team is teamed up with Texas Pete to introduce a special new menu item, and there's a whole lot more. In fact, here to tell us about that is Senior Director of Marketing. It is in operations is also Mark Jenkins. Thank you so much for coming in here. First of all, for the last half hour, the entire Studio A smells incredible. Fried chicken, we can smell that, but then also seeing the bacon and then some spice here too with the beans. Tell us what you guys have for us.
Well, this is good stuff, and we're very thankful and for you having us. As you know, it's National Chicken Month, so Roy Rogers has roast beef. We have burgers, but today we're talking about chicken. We're introducing a new sandwich. It's a Texas Pete spicy chicken sandwich, and you can see it here.
Yeah, and Texas Pete is a favorite. I mean, whenever we make buffalo chicken in our house, we always use Texas Pete because it's perfect for a buffalo chicken dip.
Right.
But you say you don't actually see this poured onto it. So you'll find this at your sidebar right here. You can see these bottles out there in the restaurant.
Right.
But it is in the chicken breading. Is that what you're saying?
Right. Okay. What it is, it's a chicken fillet, all white meat that we batter and bread in the restaurant, and it's got special spices with the Texas Pete, and it's also got a smoky pepper sauce on it. Nice. But and it's pretty hot. But if you want it hotter, you can load it up with the Texas Pete at the Fixin's Bar.
Why not? Just keep dumping it on there, right? Shoveling that out. Now we've got 3 different displays here too. I'm seeing there's some sauce coming off of this chicken sandwich. This is the Texas Pete, or is this something different?
That's the Texas Pete.
Okay, there's the Texas Pete.
Right.
But you've got some other options here, and a lot of bacon. I'm noticing, right? Yeah.
Well, I haven't yet met anybody who does a lot of bacon, so
that's right.
It works.
It's a staple.
Gold Rush chicken sandwich is probably our most popular. It's a fabulous sandwich. It's got that savory and sweet taste to it.
Nice.
And it's got bacon.
And now you guys are partner up though also with Cal Ripken too. So tell us real quick about that.
Right. Well, Cal Ripken has a streak going, and Roy's this year is 50 years old, so we've got our own streak. We talked to him, and kind of his values married up with ours. As you know, he's related with the Cal Ripken Senior Foundation. So we're teaming up with them and raising money for them all this year.
There you go. Roy Rogers right here. Mark Jenkins, thank you so much. We appreciate you stopping by and showing us a little bit more Texas Pete. Thank you so much.